Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we're going to cook stir fry roasted pork with mushroom and tofu. Here are the ingredients. We have roasted pork, ginger, garlic, tofu, mushrooms, mushroom syrups, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, oil, sugar. Let's start cooking. Heat the oil first. Fry the tofu. Fry the roasted pork. Then stir, wait until golden brown. After fry the roasted pork, then set aside. Now let's start saute the ginger. Then add the garlic. Continue stirring to make it soft and fragrance. Add the mushrooms. Then stir. Now let's put Shaoxing wine. Continue stirring. Then the roasted pork, put it back to the pan. Then add oyster sauce. Add light soy sauce. Then mix together to make it taste. Add mushroom syrup. Then the tofu, put it back to the pan. Cook around 10 minutes. Then cover, wait until cooked. Then add sugar to balance the salty. Done cooking. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.